The lady from Uncle. The lady.
Hi, today I want to take a look at topic channels and what exactly they are and what they mean for users at YouTube. Now, topic channels used to be generated for any topic that had a big enough presence, but because YouTube, don't forget, started off as a music platform, this is what topic channels are used for nowadays. Topic channels are auto-generated by YouTube. They are not controlled in any shape or form by the users themselves. So here we have an example. I did a search on Bridget Mari and I can see that she has got an official artist channel. More on those later. She has a secondary channel and she also has a topic channel. And if we go to the topic channel, you will see that she has got albums and singles. So Bridget Mari is a musician. She's a solo musician and she has two albums. One is a single and the other one, The Gathering, is a full album. Now, this is all well and good because Bridget Mari has a fairly unique name, but what actually happens or can happen is that if you have a name that is a little bit more common for your band or for yourself as a solo artist, you could end up with other people with similar names or band names and their music appears on your topic channel. If you have an issue with other people's music appearing on your topic channel, then do get in touch with YouTube or get onto the forum and let us product experts try and help you with that. How are topic channels created? Well, they are created when you distribute your music through a label or an online or digital distributor, and they upload your content for you to YouTube, just as they would to Spotify or Amazon or Apple Music, etc. So this is a way of having all of your music officially under one roof as a topic channel that anyone can find. Here's YouTube's official article on the topic channels and also other different types of channels, and I'll give you the link for this below. The second thing to bear in mind with a topic channel is that because it was auto-generated by YouTube, it is wholly uneditable by the user themselves. So because of the uneditability of a topic channel, you also cannot delete it. So if you change your music or you no longer wish to see the topic channel, the only way to get rid of it is actually for you to ask your distributor, the uploader of your music to YouTube, to remove it from YouTube. You may be the musician that the topic channel is about, you may be the band it's about, but you cannot edit it. It's auto-generated because of content that was uploaded on your behalf. The album art has already been supplied, your name has already been supplied, and your avatar is already in existence. So if you want to have any kind of control over your presence in an official capacity, you need to be looking at an official artist channel, and that is the subject of the next video. Thank you for listening and goodbye.